Store of Nike, Adidas and all. Sukha Korsani. I bring this powder, red chili powder.
That before I decided.
In your new apartment, you have to buy the furniture or the
I
basin.
tell you, I have to buy furniture, but the house set road is back. No, I don't know how to say the.
Bathtub?
No. I must meet. I must everything. I must bed. I must everything. I take from my house or buy. But there is how to say a road.
One we came again in the seaside, Rishon Beach,
You
to
know
see
why
the building.
I can go up to see.
Yeah.
To see in physical, not only from outside.
Okay.
I don't come physical. You know, everybody come to see there up. Maybe.
You can do that.
Maybe.
Maybe this time.
Maybe.
इनको यही दिक्कत होता है, यहाँ से हाथ नहीं पहुँचता इनका ये खोलने के लिए. That's why you can. I will go. You can. आज वो ट्राई करने वाली है, वो कर सकती है कि नहीं. हमेशा मैं ही करती हूँ बाहर निकल के. You do it.
The card. Maybe it can go down.
No.
Rega.
Okay.
I must. No.
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 Shall I go?
Yes, but
Okay.
be careful.
Okay, I'm careful. No car behind you? Okay, no one is there.
No one.
Okay. To open this, you need help because of
Next
this.
time.
This one?
Yes. Next time I.
Okay. I think we reach. I will not put the seat belt, okay?
What?
I will not put the seat belt.
You don't?
Put the seat belt.
What?
I don't put the seat belt, okay?
Even I.
Because the car is always.
What I told you?
Yeah.
Because the kites.
Seat
Belt?
belt. Seat belt. Belt. Yes.
Yes.
Because we don't put
Yeah,
the
yeah,
seat
yeah.
belt, that's why the car is.
Yes. Yes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
This is wind.
Yeah.
It is being wind.
Yeah.
Okay.
लास्ट वीडियो में मैं यहाँ पे सी बीच पे आई थी, जो उस दिन कुछ ज़्यादा ही फॉग था, धुंधला सा था, अच्छे से नज़ारा नहीं दिख रहा था. सो आज फिर से मैं यहाँ पे आई हुई हूँ सेकेंड टाइम एंड टुडे इज़ अ ब्राइट सनी डे. We are here to see the building, to recognize which one is the fourth or which one is the fifth, because you want to buy here. And are you guys ready again to see the beautiful views? The view will be starting. 3, 2, 1. Look, today is a bright sunny day and you can see the clear view of the sea. It's so beautiful, so amazing. I don't know I can go in the sea beach or no, but I'm sitting from here. We are here to check out the buildings like 1, 2, 3, 4. She's so confused too. Yeah. She's so confused because she wants fourth or the fifth, because that is the cafe and she think that the cafe will disturb her if she take fourth, or if she take fourth then the cafe will disturb or not. She want to check that, so that's why we came here today, and today is a bright sunny day and it is a beautiful view. I hope I can go in the seaside, sea beach, and I can see the clear view, but I don't know I can go or not because I'm with her. She's still confused.
I want to be on the roof or there.
Maybe not this side, that side is better for you because this is not even complete, you know.
No, I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I don't tell about the complete. I tell what
That is the roof, no? The roof will
The
disturb
roof-
you in future.
The roof is what you see. The roof.
Hmm.
Nobody else. No, they don't. But on the roof,
Mhm.
I don't know if it will be.
This area is in future. This floor will be the
What?
shop and all restaurant.
No, in the
This floor.
down.
Ah,
Down.
this the first floor will be the shop and all.
Two,
Ah, okay. Hey, sorry guys, I cannot go to that side like before. पिछले वीडियो में तो मैं गई थी, लेकिन उस दिन सनी डे नहीं था, लेकिन आज मैं नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि हम वापस जा रहे हैं और यहीं से आप लोगों को सोचा कि यहीं से आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ सनी डे का व्यू इस तरीके का है। और वो कंफ्यूज हो रहे कि इस साइड लूँ या उस साइड लो फ्लोर सॉरी अपार्टमेंट्स यू वांट टू बाय एन अपार्टमेंट बिग एंड सी इज़ कंफ्यूज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट ऊपर के जो हिस्सा है ऊपर में पार्टी वगैरह होगा तो उनको डिस्टर्ब होगा ऐसी वो बोल रही हैं। दैट्स वाई सी इज़ वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड। इस साइड में लूँ और उस साइड में लूँ। इस साइड में लेंगी तो इनके लिए अच्छा है क्योंकि ये कंप्लीट हो चुका है और उस साइड में अच्छे से कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है। एंड अभी तक भी वो कंफ्यूज है, देख रही है कि 4th फ्लोर लूँ या 5th फ्लोर लूँ। एंड इवन शी जस्ट वांट टू फाइंड आउट दैट इफ शी टेक दिस साइड दैट दिस रेस्टोरेंट विल डिस्टर्ब हर इन फ्यूचर और नॉट। वो कहा कि अगर आपने इस साइड लिया तो आपको 2 व्यू दिखेंगे, एक तो सी व्यू है, एक इस साइड का रोड का ये पार्किंग व्यू और ये बिल्डिंग वगैरह भी दिखेगा, उस साइड भी दिखेगा, बोथ साइड दिखेगा। अगर इन्होंने उस साइड का लिया तो इनको बस सिर्फ सी साइड का व्यू दिखाई देगा। लेट्स सी, इट्स हर डिसीजन, वो लेंगे कौन सा लेंगे या नहीं। Hey guys, we are going back, and in the middle she want to meet her sister.
Yes, but I know the train. I coming from another.
Yeah.
I come from the what is?
The store of Nike, Adidas and all.
Whoa.
Careful, Emma.
You run. The internet, you can see what you want to buy. Here you can see.
Hey guys, मैं वापस आ चुकी हूँ घर और मैंने कुछ स्पाइसेस ख़रीदा है, मैं दिखाना चाहती हूँ आप लोगों को। I bring this सूखा खोरसानी, I bring this powder, red chili powder, I bring the sesame, तिल ले मैले सफ़ेद तिल, and हर्दी ले, मेथी मैले अलिकति मागेको भक्कु पाउँदो रहेछ, अलिकति पाउँदैन अरे। दिस कम नहीं मिलता है, ऐसे पैकेट में मिलता है बोला है। और जीरा पाउडर, दिस ऑल आई ब्रॉट टुडे। Hello everyone, this is the next day. I hope we will find the shoes today.
Parking before.
Yeah, before I
And
hope
after the shoes,
we
I
will
want.
find the
If they
parking
don't
and
sell
we will
all.
find the shoes. Stay tuned guys.